In a world where college dropouts turn millionaires overnight, companies wage patent wars. The World Wide Web turns into its next great phase. Computers become smaller by the day, and giants make the markets quiver. The one key factor that binds them together is great technology.
From the first phone to the man on the moon, it's an ever-evolving universe, and technology is right in the center of it. And driving this universe are tech experts. The CES, IFA, CeBIT, MWC, all with over 10,000 attendees, tech is getting bigger every year. LG, Nokia, Panasonic, Sony, Samsung, all the bigwigs with their exclusive launches set the tone for the coming year in consumer tech. But what about India? The land of innovation needs a platform too, and that's exactly what the Tech Fest is going to be. A one-stop shop where the user's requirements ignites the creator's innovation, and there emerges a new wave never before witnessed in India. So we've got the hook, now let's give you the line and the sinker, the 4 pillars of Tech Fest. First up is see and sell. Every gadget needs a platform. At TechFest, whether you're a big daddy or a startup or an SME, you have full access to your consumer base. Users can experience and also have the opportunity to buy their favorite gadgets at the expo all under one umbrella.
You have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future, because believing that the dots will connect down the road will give you the confidence to follow your heart.
No fest is complete without some inspiring speeches. Keynotes and panels by some of the most renowned names in the tech space. Steve Ballmer, Mark Zuckerberg, Sean Parker, Bistone, Raghav KK, Nikesh Arora, and supported industries will be showcased. The post-PC era, technology for kids and storytelling, startups and more, life under a cloud are some of the topics that would be covered. India is one of the leading markets for personal technology. The big guys will launch their devices for the coming year right here on Launchpad. What better platform than this to meet the customers themselves? Tech superstores with new gadgets and applications will be displayed for consumers so they can pick their favorite. Also, there'll be experience zones. Why just come to a tech expo and not get the full tech experience? 3D theater zones, gaming zones, surround sound zones, and the apps arena for the consumers. In Future Fun, we would be displaying upcoming products and advancements in the tech universe. And finally, Stars, a larger-than-life award ceremony will be hosted within the event, where market leaders will be nominated and felicitated on the platform. Some of the biggest names in technology will form the jury for the event. An opening party with a holographic fashion show, electronic music artists from the likes of Jalebi Cartel, Imogen Heap, medieval pundits performing center stage to showcase the tech behind new age music. Continuing with music, a silent concert using only wireless headphones for the ultra geeks to unwind, a tech-filled festival, and end it all with the Red Carpet Awards ceremony. Now that's how you end the show. In conclusion, be part of the biggest one-of-its-kind technology initiatives in India. Join us in spreading a message that India too is an emerging market and can stand toe-to-toe with the international players. Be part of history